Today I'm going to teach you how to make and upload custom Zoom backgrounds. This is a great way to personalize your virtual meetings and maintain privacy by hiding your actual surroundings. First, open your Zoom app and log in. Once you're in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see your profile avatar. This is typically a small circular image that represents your account. Click on your profile avatar and the drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, click on Settings. This is where you'll access all the configuration options that Zoom offers for customizing your experience. Now that you're in the Settings menu, look over to the left sidebar. Here you'll find various categories that organize different settings. Click on Video and Effects. This section is specifically designed for managing how your video appears during calls, including filters, lighting adjustments, and of course, virtual backgrounds. Within the Video and Effects section, you'll see several tabs or options. Click on Virtual Backgrounds. This feature is what allows you to replace your real background with an image or video of your choice, giving you complete control over what others see behind you during meetings. Once you're in the Virtual Backgrounds area, you'll notice a button labeled Add Image or Video. This is your gateway to uploading custom content. Click on this button and you'll be presented with two options. Select Add Image to proceed with uploading a still image as your background. If you wanted to use a video background instead, you'd choose the other option, but for now we're focusing on images. A file browser window will open, allowing you to navigate through your computer's files, browse to the location where you've saved the image you want to use as your Zoom background. This could be a professional office photo, a scenic landscape, or any image that suits your needs. Once you've located your preferred background, click on it to select it, then click Open. Your custom background will now upload to Zoom and appear in your list of available backgrounds. And there you have it. You've successfully uploaded a custom background to Zoom and it's now ready to use in your next meeting. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.